In this video, I am going to cover the problems on locus transformation of axes, the straight line, and pair of straight lines. So let us look at the problems. So first one is, if A is given to me, B is given to me, and P is any point satisfying the condition PA plus PB is 3, then the equation of locus of P is what? So if I assume P to be say x comma y, so PA plus PB is given as 3. Now I have to find the locus of P. So what is PA in this case? PA is square root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. And what will be PB? PB is square root of x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. So sum of these two is equal to 3. Right? Very easy. Now I take this over here. I get x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to 3 minus x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. If I square both the sides, what do I get? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equals to a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 3 square is 9 plus square of this square root, that means this square root is gone. So x minus 2 whole square, this will be y minus 1 whole square minus 2ab. So 2 into 3 is 6. I'm left with this. Right, now let us try to open the brackets. This is x square minus 2x plus 1. This is y square minus 4y plus 4. This is 9 plus x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. So 1 is cancelled, 4 is cancelled, x square is cancelled, y square is cancelled, minus 6 of this is remaining. Don't forget about it. So minus 2x minus 4y is equals to 9 minus 4x minus 2y. When you bring these 3 over here, this, and this, all of their signs will be changed. So 4x minus 2x plus 2y minus 4y minus 9 is equals to minus 6 into this. So 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 2y minus 9 is equals to minus 6 of this. Square again. So what do you get? A plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So b is minus 2y and c is minus 9. So accordingly, signs will change. So 4x square plus 4y square plus 81, 9 square is 81, plus 2ab. This has minus sign in it. So 2 into 2 is 4, into 2 is 8, minus 8xy plus 2bc, both are negative, so plus sign remains. 2 into 2, 4, and 9, 36, plus 2acc is minus 9, so 9 to 18, and so minus 36x. We square minus 6, so square is 36. This square root just disappears upon squaring. Now let us open the brackets once again. Minus 36x minus plus 36 y minus 8x y plus 81 36 x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. 4x square plus 4y square. So this is just calculation now. Don't need to use too much of your brains. Just simply calculate. Keep on calculating. It's not too much fun, but you have to do it till you are done. So what do I do? Take this over here or bring these over here? Let us bring all of these over here. So 36 minus 4 is 32. And similarly 36 minus 4, so 32y square. Now the term of x, minus 144x. Over here I have 36 with minus, so when it comes here it becomes plus. So 144 minus 36 is 108, so minus 108x. 36y, here minus 72y. When you bring this, you get minus 72 minus 36, which is minus 108y, plus 8xy, plus 144 plus 36 minus 81. 144 and 36 is what? 180 minus 81 would be what? 99. So this is the locus. I think this equation, option 3, satisfies. Okay, next problem. Let C be a curve given by this. When I rotate the axis through an angle pi by 4 in positive direction, the transformation is this, then h square. It's very easy, you know, when you rotate the axis, x is transformed to x cos theta minus y sin theta, and y is transformed to x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now here theta is given as pi by 4, right? So x will transform to cos pi by 4 is root 2, sin pi by 4 is root 2, sin pi by 4 is root 2, cos pi by 4 is root 2. So ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 will transform to a into x by root 2 minus y by root 2 whole square plus 2h into x by root 2 minus y by root 2. In place of x write this, in place of y write this. And so I am writing. Again, this is not a tough problem, just a lot of calculation for no reason at all. You know, because when you join your BTech, you get access to laptops, calculators, Excel files, MATLAB, any software, whatever, just to help with the calculations. So it doesn't make sense to make you do all the calculations. Rather, just to see how you approach the problems. Anyway, so this whole square plus 2g 2x square plus 2h, sorry. I really dislike doing these meaningless calculations. But you don't have an option. You guys don't have an option. I'm already done with my BTech. So I can do whatever I want. X minus y whole square by 2 plus 2h x square minus y square by 2 plus b into x plus y whole square by 2 plus 2g root 2 by 2, right? Because I want to get rid of all these 2 in the denominators. 2f root 2 into x plus y by 2. Even this guy, why leave him alone, right? Now just let's get rid of all these 2's. Make our lives easy. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Now I have opened the bracket, right? Nothing here. X square plus y square plus 2xy. What about this? 2 root 2 g x minus 2 root 2 g y plus 2 root 2 f x plus 2 root 2 f y plus 2c is equal to 0. Now a x square plus b x square, so a plus b x square, a y square plus b y square, so a plus b y square. Again there was this 2h x square as well, so this is plus 2h, and minus 2hy square, so minus 2hy square. Minus xy term is also there, minus 2a xy, and plus 2b, so you can write it in this way. So minus 2a xy plus 2b xy when you open the bracket, so this is satisfied, and the term for x will be 2 root 2 g plus 2 root 2 f, this is x, and for y will be 2 root 2 g minus 2 root 2 fy plus 2c is equal to 0. Now this whole big equation, it is given equal to y square plus xy minus x equal to 0. Y square plus xy minus x is equal to 0, and what is being asked? H square minus ab minus 2gf. In terms of what it is being asked? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So coefficient of x square is 0, so a plus b plus 2h is equal to 0, right? Coefficient of y is 0, so 2 root 2g minus 2 root 2f is 0. This means that g is equals to f. And what else is given? 0. X square is given as 0, y square is not 0, xy is not 0, x is not 0, y is 0, and there is no constant, to c is 0, so c is 0. So my equation which I have written above, a plus b is equals to 2h, that means a plus b is equals to minus 2h. So this equation, so x square coefficient is 0, so I am not going to write it. A plus b minus 2h y square minus 2a minus 2b xy, this, all of this is 0, plus 2 root 2g plus 2 root 2 fx is equals to 0. Now let us compare. These two equations are equivalent, so their ratios of their coefficients is also equal. Okay. So what do we have here? Let us, we also know that g is equals to f, so this is equals to minus 4 root 2 g, right? This is equal to minus 4 root 2 g. A plus b minus 2h is equals to minus 2a plus 2b. This implies that 3a minus b is 2h, or and also we know that since x squared's coefficient was 0, that a plus b plus 2h is equals to 0. A plus b plus 2h is equals to 0, or a plus b is equals to minus 2h, and 3a minus b is equals to 2h. When I add these both, What do I get? 4a is equals to 4h. This means a is equals to h. If a is equals to h, then what is b? From here we can calculate 3h minus b is equals to 2h, or b is also equal to h. A is equal to h and b is equals to h. And he's asking me h square minus ab minus 2gf. So h square minus ab minus 2gf, what will be this thing? H, a is equals to h and b is equals to h, so this is h square minus h square, so 0. Now we have to find out minus 2gf. When I look at this, minus 2a plus 2b by 1 is equals to minus 4 root 2g, because g is equals to f, so 2 root 2f equals to 2 root 2g. Now a is equals to h, so minus 2h, b is equals to h, so plus 2h by 1 is equals to minus 4 root 2g. So this is also 0. This implies that g is equals to 0. So minus 2gf is also 0. So my option is this. Don't be confused about the number of terms involved in this question. It's just this problem tests whether you make a mistake or not. It's not a difficult question, just to see whether you make mistakes or not. So be careful while attempting this problem. Now let us look at question 3. If the straight line passing through point P makes an angle pi by 6 with a positive direction of x-axis and meet the blah 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 length of, very easy question. I don't know why such easy questions are being asked. We have a point P 3 by 4. It makes an angle of pi by 6, or say pi by 6 is what, 30 degrees with positive direction of x-axis. It intersects some line like this. This is P, or say P is this point. It meets this Q, then length PQ. Just this is being asked. I don't know what is this. This is class 10th question. Equation of line will be what? Y minus 4 by x minus 3 is slope. Slope is 1030. 1030 is what? Sine 30 by cos 30. Sine 30 is half. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So 1 by root 3. So y minus 4 is equals to 1 by root 3 into x minus 3 is equation of this line. This intersects with 12x plus 5y plus 12 is equals to 0 at point Q. Okay, so this is line 1, this is line 2, intersection is Q. Point P is already given as 3, 4. So their intersection will give you some value of x and some value of y, that is Q. Just use the distance formula and you will be able to find PQ. So I don't know why this qualifies to be asked in a competitive exam, other than just wasting time, in my opinion. Right? There's nothing difficult in this problem, just calculations and that's it. So root 3y minus 4 root 3 is equals to x minus 3. So x is equals to root 3y minus 4 root 3 plus 3. You substitute this big thing over here. You will calculate the value of y. Just very easy problem, just only wasting time. Minus 48 root 3 plus 12 times 3 is 36. Also, please make sure when you are solving these easy questions, you don't make mistakes. Otherwise, your time and money is wasted. 36 and 10 is what? 46. When you take it to the other hand, which is the RHS, so 48 with minus sign becomes plus, and 36 and 10 is minus. So y is 48 root 3 minus 46 by 12 root 3 plus 5. If y is this, what is x? I already have the relation over here. x is equals to root 3y, which is 48 root 3 minus 46 by 12 root 3 plus 5 minus 4 root 3 plus 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3, 48 times 3 is 144 minus 46 root 3 minus 4 root 3 into 12 root 3 plus 5 plus 3 into 12 root 3 plus 5 whole big thing divided by 12 root 3 plus 5. 144 minus 46 root 3. 4 times 12 is what? 48. 48 times 3 is 144. Cancelled. 4 times 5 is 20, so minus 20 root 3. 12 times 3 is 36, so 36 root 3. 3 times 5 is 15 by 12 root 3 plus 5. So 15, 46 and 20 is 66. Minus 66 plus 30 is plus 36 is minus 30 root 3 by 12 root 3 plus 5. So this is x. So I have point P, which is 3 comma 4, right? I am not mistaken. Point P was 3 comma 4. Point Q is what is y? 48 root 3 minus 46. 12 root 3 plus 5. As I can see that there is 12 root 3 plus 5 over here, so it must somehow show in the options. Okay, there are two options with 12 root 3 plus 5. Any one of them could be correct. Let's keep solving. Distance is square root of this 3 minus 15 minus 30 root 3 with brackets, don't forget, whole square 4 minus brackets it's taking forever to solve this question. 12 root 3 plus 5 whole square, 12 root 3 plus 5 whole square. I will take this denominator common and outside. Inside there will be 3 times 12 root 3, 36 root 3. 3 times 5 is 15 minus 15 minus minus plus, so 30 root 3 whole square. Over here 12 times 4 is 48 root 3. 4 times 5 is 20 minus 48 root 3, and minus will be plus whole square. So I bring this denominator outside. Inside is 15, 15 cancels. So this is what? 66 root 3 whole square plus cancelled 66 square. If I take out 66, I get this. But inside root 3 square is remaining, so that is 3 plus 1 is remaining. So square root of 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 square root is 2. 132 by 12 root 3 plus 5. This is the only way I could think of solving this problem. If you guys have any shortcut of solving it, kindly let me know. I will incorporate it in my future videos. Thank you. Okay, next problem. If the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of this and which is at perpendicular distance of 5 units from this is this, then a possible very easy problem. I don't know. X plus 2y minus 19 is given. X minus 2y minus 3 is given. Just straight up add these. This will get cancelled. 2x plus 6 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 3. If x is minus 3, so minus 3 minus 2y minus 3 is 0. This means minus 2y is equals to 6, or y is equals to minus 3. So the point of intersection is minus 3 minus 3. Am I correct? No, this is minus 19 instead of plus 9. Oh my god, my bad handwriting. Minus 19 minus 3, so please excuse me. This becomes 2x minus 22 is equals to 0, or x equals to 11. If x equals to 11, so 11 minus 2y minus 3 is equals to 0, and 2y is equals to 8, or y is equals to 4. So point of intersection is 11, 4. I hope that is correct. 11 plus 8 is 19, minus 19 is 0, correct. So 11 minus 8 is 3, minus 3. So correct. So 11 comma 4 is the point of intersection. Now they are saying that there is a line which passes through 11 comma 4. Maybe this is point P, 11 comma 4. This is my line L. This is at a perpendicular distance of 5 units. This is 5 from this point minus 2 comma 4. Okay, and this, they are saying that this might represent the straight line. Then what are the possible values of this thing? So any line passing through any point can be expressed in this way, right? Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equals to m. So y is equals to mx plus 4 minus 11m. I can represent this equation, which is passing through point 11 comma 4, into this, where m is unknown. Now if this is the equation, or I can write it in this way, y minus mx plus 11 minus 11m minus 4 equals to 0. And if I have to find out the perpendicular distance of this line from a point minus 2 comma 4, how do I do that? Just put minus 2 comma 4 in here. So 4 minus m into minus 2 plus 11m minus 4 mod divided by a square root of coefficient of y square, coefficient of x, and whole square. This should be equal to the distance 5. So 4 plus 2m plus 11m minus 4 divided by square root of 1 plus m square is equals to 5. 4 and 4 cancelled, so 13m mod divided by square root of 1 plus m square is 5. To get rid of the mod, let us just square. So 13m whole square divided by square root. So square root is cancelled because I have squared it. 5 square is 25. So 169m square is 25 plus 25m square, or 144m square is 25. So m is either 5 by 12 or it is minus 5 by 12. So my equation, which was this, has two possible solutions. One for m equals to 5 by 12 and another for minus 5 by 12. Equation is given by this, y minus mx plus 11m minus 4. So first equation I will put 5 by 12. 11 times 5 is 55 by 12 minus 4 is equals to 0. Second I will put minus 5 by 12. Y minus 5 by 12x. 11 into minus 5 is minus 55 by 12 minus 4 is equal to 0. So 12y minus 5x. 12 times 4 is 48. 55 minus 48 is 7. Or 12y plus 5x. 11 times minus 5 is minus 55 and minus 48 is 0. So 12y minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0, or 12y plus 5x, 95 and 803 is equal to 0. The given form is 5x plus by plus c is equals to 0. 5x plus by plus c is equal to 0. So let us rewrite both of them. This will become 5x minus 12y minus 7 is equals to 0, right? So this is plus. If this minus is becoming plus, so this plus 12y will become minus 12y and this will become minus 7. This will stay like this. What am I being asked? I am being asked the value of 5 plus b plus c. In this case, in case 1, upon comparison, you have to compare this equation with this. So 5x minus 12y minus 7 compared to 5x plus by plus c. B is minus 12, c is minus 7. So 5 plus b plus c is 5 minus 12 minus 7. 5 minus 19 is minus 14. And in this case, b will be 12 when you compare these two. C will be minus 103. So 5 plus b plus c will be what? 5 plus 12 minus 103. So 17 minus 103. 103 minus 17 is what? 100 minus 14. Is it minus 86? Yes. So minus 14 or minus 86? 86 is there, minus 86 we have, and minus 14 is there. Right? I had minus 14 and minus 86. So option D is the correct option. The two equal sides of an isosceles triangle are given by this and this, then the equation of third side. When I was solving this problem, this is option 4, I was getting two correct options. Maybe I made a mistake. You guys let me know in the comments if I'm doing something which is terribly wrong. Maybe I will get some insights from you guys. So, a very bad triangle. Sorry. Let me redraw. Because I want to draw an isosceles triangle. So this is point A, this point B, and C. So this looks like an isosceles triangle ABC. So if this equation is 7x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and this equation is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and BC, so these two sides are equal, so these two angles are equal. BC passes through the point 2 comma minus 5. They are asking me the equation for BC. So when this triangle is an isosceles triangle, this angle theta is equals to this angle theta. If this is the slope m1, this is slope m, and this is slope m2, then angle between these two lines with slope m1 and m should be equal to angle between the two lines with slopes m2 and m. We know that the tan theta is equals to m1 minus m by 1 plus m1m mod, and tan theta is also equal to, because these two angles are equal, m2 minus m by 1 plus m2 into m and whole mod. From this equation we can see that the slope, like y is equals to 7x plus 3, so 7 is the slope, so m1 equal to 7, and from here I can see that y is equals to minus x plus 3, so m2 is equals to minus 1. For this equation, slope m is unknown, so mod m1 is given to me as 7 minus m by 1 plus 7 into m is equals to m2 is given as minus 1, m is unknown, so this, so 7 minus m by 1 plus 7m mod is equals to minus 1 minus m by 1 minus m. Now since the mod of these two are equal, so this follows that either it is equal to this, or It is equal to minus of this. We will solve both the equations. So take the transpose, multiply 7 minus m into 1 minus m is 1 plus 7m into m plus 1. I have taken minus sign out. So 7 minus 7m minus m plus m square, negative sign 1 plus 7m plus m plus 7m squared, or m square minus 8m plus 7 is equals to minus 7m square minus 8m minus 1, minus 8m is cancelled. You get 8m square is equals to, it becomes minus 1 minus 7, so minus 8. M square is minus 1. A square of a real number cannot be negative, so I'm just going to ignore this solution. Now we will focus on this one. What is that? 7 minus m by 1 plus 7m. This is negative, so 1 plus m by 1 minus m. Let us focus on this now. 7 minus m into 1 minus m is equals to 1 plus 7m into 1 plus m. So 7 minus 7m, sorry, 7 minus 7m minus m plus m square is equals to 1 plus m plus 7m plus 7m square, right? So m square minus 8m plus 7 is equals to m square, 7m square, sorry, plus 8m plus 1. Bring all of them here. So 7 minus 1 is 6m square, minus 8 becomes plus 8m over here. So 8 plus 8 is 16m. 1 minus 7 is 6. All these questions are not that tough, but just make sure you don't make mistakes. I know I will make mistakes when I'm solving this in exam. No way you cannot, you don't make any mistake. Our effort should be that we try to minimize the mistakes, because these problems are just formula based, straight up formula based questions. So if you have revised the formulas, it should be good. So m is 1 by 3 comma minus 3. So there are two possible solutions for this, right? I have an equation which passes through the point 2 comma minus 5 and which has either two solutions. First, the slope. So equation for the line should be y plus 5 by x minus 2 is equals to 1 by 3, or y plus 5 by x minus 2 is 1 by 3. So 3y plus 15 is x minus 2. So x is equals to 3y plus 17, comma 3y plus, okay, so minus 3 should be here. I have already taken minus 1. So y plus 5 is minus 3x plus 6, or 3x plus y is equal to 1. So 3x plus y is 1 and x equals to 3y plus 17, or x minus 3y is equals to 17, right? You can write this from that. X minus 3y is 17 and 3x plus y is equals to 1, that is also there. So I have got two solutions, but in the exam only option 1 is given as correct. I don't know what I'm missing. If you guys know, please let me know. Okay, next question. Suppose O is the origin and the line L is x plus y minus lambda. It meets the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 at A and B. If the angle AOB is 90 degrees, then the distance between such lines L equal to 0. Such lines, that means there are many possible solutions for lambda. Lambda is just not one value. It may be 1 or 2 or maybe 3 or 4. I don't know. This curve looks like an equation of a circle, right? It looks like a circle, because coefficients of x square and y square are equal and xy does not exist. So I think this is 1 plus 4 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3, so root 3. So this is the equation of the circle. We have a circle with a center at 1, 2. We have a line x plus y is equals to lambda. It cuts it at A and B such that at the origin they are having 90-degree angle. Sorry for the bad drawing, but this is somewhat, this gives you an idea of what is happening in the given question, right? So what I have done to solve it is, if there are 2 points A and B such that if there is a circle which has AB as the diameter, then any point on the semicircle is such that the angle is 90 degree when you connect it with A and B. Any point. This is one of the theorems in class 10th coordinate geometry. That is, if you have a circle with center O and AB is a diameter, so AB passes through O, then if there is any point P on the semicircle, then angle APB is 90. So what I am going to do to make my life easy in this problem is, I am going to assume a circle whose center lie on AB and which passes through origin. I hope you guys understand what I am trying to say. Since angle AOB is given, so this circle will pass through the origin and this circle will have its center on AB, and it will be such that AB is the diameter of that circle. And how do you know the equation of a circle which passes through point of intersection of one given circle and one another line? If the circle is L1 and the line is L1, so equation of the circle is C1 plus lambda L1 is equals to 0. We have solved many questions using this theorem. Now in this L, already lambda is given, so I will have to assume a different variable, say C1 plus alpha L1 equal to 0. Is the equation of a circle which passes through points AB, which are the points of intersection of this circle and this line. So the circle is given to me x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2. Equation of line is also given to me, x plus y minus lambda is equals to 0. Now this is a circle. So I want to find out what will be the center of this circle. Minus 2x plus alpha x minus 4y minus alpha y plus 2 minus alpha lambda is equal to 0. So what will be the center of this circle? Alpha minus 2x plus y square minus, so I have skipped y square, minus alpha plus 4y plus 2 minus alpha lambda is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle, and we know that this circle passes through the origin. So put x equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. What do you get? 2 minus alpha lambda is equal to 0. So alpha is equals to 2 by lambda. First thing first, alpha equal to 2 by lambda. So I think I have made a mistake here. Equation of the line is given as x plus y minus lambda, and I have used x minus y minus lambda, so this will be plus, so x square plus y square minus 2x plus alpha x minus 4y, this will be plus alpha y, rest is okay. So x square plus alpha minus 2x plus y square plus alpha minus 4, so plus alpha minus 4y plus this is equal to 0. This alpha is 2 by lambda is correct, so let us just place this value alpha is 2 by lambda over here. X square plus 2 by lambda minus 2x plus y square plus 2 by lambda minus 4y plus this whole thing is 0. So x square plus take 2 common, 1 by lambda minus 1x plus y square take 2 common, 1 by lambda minus 2y plus 0 is equals to 0. When you compare it to the standard equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, you can see that g is 1 by lambda minus 1 and f is 1 by lambda minus 2. And for this standard equation, we know that the center of the circle is given by minus g comma minus f. So our center of this circle, is minus of 1 by lambda minus 1 and minus of 1 by lambda minus 2, or 1 minus 1 by lambda comma 2 minus 1 by lambda. So this is the equation center of the circle, which is given by this. And now we know that the center lies on AB, because AB is the diameter, hence the center must lie on that line AB. Center lies on line AB. Line AB is given to me as x plus y minus lambda is equals to 0. So let us put this in place of x and this in place of y. So 1 minus 1 by lambda plus 2 minus 1 by lambda minus lambda is equals to 0, which means 3 minus 2 by lambda minus lambda is equals to 0, or 3 lambda minus 2 minus lambda square is equals to 0, or lambda square minus 3 lambda plus 2 is equals to 0, which means lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 2 is equals to 0. So lambda is either 1 or 2. So the two possible equations for L are, which was x plus y minus lambda is equals to 0, are x plus y is equals to 1 and x plus y is equals to 2. Now finally what the question asks us is distance between such lines. So distance between these two lines is being asked from us. Right? We know that the distance between lines this and this is c2 minus c1 by square root of a square plus b square. A and b are 1. C2 and c1 are minus c2 minus 1 divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square is equals to minus 2 plus 1 is mod minus 1 by root 2, which is equals to 1 by root 2. This is the correct answer. So if you have a doubt as to how I have approached this, I will explain again that this curve is given, which is a circle. A circle is given, a line is given, line intersects the circle in 2 points A and B. The 2 points make an angle of 90 degree at the origin. If so this is the origin, this is 90 degrees. Then we have to find out the possible values of lambda. So that is, maybe there are two lines like this, maybe like this and this. So distance between these two lines is being asked. So what I have done is, circle and a line are intersecting. I am assuming another circle, right, which passes through these 2 points. which passes through these 2 points, which has a center on this, or something like this, a circle like this. Please excuse my drawing. Angle it makes at origin is 90 degrees. So it is such that the origin lies on this circle, because we know that any point on the semicircle makes an angle of 90 degrees like this. This is a theorem from class 10th. I have used it. If you do not want to use this, then you will have to approach another method. Say this is the line x plus y minus lambda is equals to 0, and equation of the circle, which is given to me as x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0. Then you have to find out 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2, which are the points of intersection. How do you find out the points of intersection? Do x equals to lambda minus y, put that over here, find the value of x1, x2, then find out value of y1, y2, right? And they make an angle of say 90 degrees at the origin. Maybe this is the origin, this is angle 90. So slope of this line multiplied by slope of this line is -1. Slope of this line will be what? This is 0, 0. So y2 minus 0 by x2 minus 0 into y1 minus 0 by x1 minus 0. This is equals to -1. So y2 y1 by x2 x1 is -1, or y2 y1 plus x2 x1 is equal to 0. This way you will be able to find out value of lambda. This will be a quadratic equation. This might take, I think, 10 to 15 minutes, and hence I had used this approach. It depends upon you, but I would say in an exam where time is very crucial, we should use the approach which takes the least amount of time. Okay. So this is the last problem. Let P be a point of intersection of the lines this and this, and A and B are 2 points on L1 and L2 such that PA is this, PB is this, then x1, y1 greater than 0, x2, y2 product greater than equal to 0, then the angle made by the line segment at the origin is, so very complicated question. Whole lot of things are going on over here. This is x, this is y. L1 is given as x minus y minus 7 is equals to 0. So x equals to y plus 7. If y is 0, then x equals to what? 7. So 7 comma 0 is 1 point on L1. And if y is equals to minus 7, then x equals to 0. So something like this is L1, right? This is L1. L2 is x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. So when x is 0, y is 5. When y is 0, x is 5. So something like this. 5, 0, 0, 5. You join these two points, you get your L2. They must intersect somewhere over here. This is the point P. What should be the point P? Let us solve these equations. X minus y minus 7 is equals to 0. X plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Add 2x minus 12 is 0. X is 6. If x is 6, then 6 minus y minus 7 is equals to 0. So y minus 1 is equals to 0. Minus y minus 1 is equals to 0. Minus y is 1, or y is equals to minus 1. So this point P is 6 comma minus 1. Now I am given that there are 2 points A and B on L1 and L2 such that PA is equals to 3 root 2. Point A is 3 root 2. So PA is 3 root 2. So either A can be here or A can be here, right? I mean, you have to go 3 root 2 away from P, so you can go in this direction or this direction. Only 2 points are possible because because point A lies on L1. So this is 3 root 2 and this is 3 root 2. But what has been given to us is point A is x1, y1. such that x1 y1 is greater than equal to 0. So product of two numbers is greater than equal to 0. That means either both of them are negative or both of them are positive, or either one is 0. When we come into this quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So product of positive and negative will be negative. So this is not possible. So we know that A lies here. A has to lie here. Similarly, PB is given as root 2. And so B lies on L2. So B may be here or may be here, right? But again, x2, y2 is greater than equal to 0. So similar condition applies. So B also lies over here. Now we have to find out the angle made by A and B at the origin. So something like this. What is this angle theta? So first let us find out the coordinates of the points A and B. PA is equal to 3 root 2. So if A is assumed as say h comma say x1 or y1, x1 comma y1. Since A lies on L1, so x1 minus y1 minus 7 is equal to 0, or x1 is equals to y1 plus 7. So point A is y1 comma y1 plus 7, and P is given to me as 6 comma minus 1, right? 6 comma minus 1, and PA is given as 3 root 2. So we can find out the value of y1 from here. Y1 minus 6 whole square plus y1 plus 7 minus of minus 1 whole square is equals to 3 root 2. You have to take square root here. So square both sides. So y1 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus minus plus y1 plus 8 whole square. 3 square is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. I have to solve from y1 from here. So y1 square plus 36 minus 12y1 plus y1 square plus 64 plus 16y1 is equals to 18. 2y1 square plus 16 minus 12 is plus 4y1 plus 64 and 36 is what? 100 minus 18 is 82. y1 square plus 2y1 minus 41 is equals to 0. This doesn't sound correct. x1 y1 plus 7 y1 plus 7, 6 minus 1, y1 minus 6 plus y1 plus 7, so y1 plus 8 is 18. So x1 is equals to y1 plus 7. So this point A is x1 y1. x1 is y1 plus 7. So y1 plus 7 comma y1. And point P is 6 comma y1. PA is given as 3 root 2. So we will use distance formula to find out the value of y1. So y1 plus 7 minus 6 whole square plus y1 minus minus 1 whole square is equals to 3 root 2. This is whole under the square root, right? All of this is under square root. So when I square it, what should I get? y1 plus 1 whole square plus y1 plus 1 whole square is 18, or 2y1 plus 1 whole square is 18, or y1 plus 1 whole square is 9. This means y1 plus 1 is either 3 or y1 plus 1 is minus 3. So y1 is either 2 or y1 is equals to what? Minus 4. So as if y1 is 4, then point A was y1 plus 7 and y1. So if y1 is 2, A becomes 9 comma 0, or 9 comma 2, sorry, 9 comma 2, or it becomes, if y1 is minus 4, so 7 minus 4 is 3 and minus 4. So as we have already seen, the product of these two is told to us as greater than equal to 0. So 3 minus 4 multiplied is minus 12, which is not greater than equal to 0. So this option is not possible, which I had explained. So this is the solution 3 comma minus 4, and the other solution is 9 comma 2. So this is acceptable and this one is not. Hence I am going to reject 3 comma minus 4 and I am going to accept A as 9 comma 2. Now is the turn for PB. If I assume point B as x2, y2, but I know that x2, y2 lies on line L2. L2 is given as x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. So x2 plus y2 minus 5 is 0. This implies that x2 is 5 minus y2. So my point B becomes 5 minus y2 comma y2. PB is given to me as square root of 2. Am I right? Let me check. Yes. And P is given to me as 6 comma minus 1. Again use the distance formula. So 5 minus y2 minus 6 whole square plus y2 minus minus 1 whole square is equals to square root of 2, which means what? Square root of 5 minus 6 is minus 1 minus y2 whole square plus y2 plus 1 whole square. Take squares on both sides, so this will be y2 plus 1 simply. This is also y2 plus 1 whole square is equals to 2. So 2y2 plus 1 whole square is 2, or y2 plus 1 whole square is equals to 1. This will give us two solutions. Either y2 plus 1 is equals to 1, or y2 plus 1 is equals to minus 1. In this case y2 is equals to 0. In this case y2 is minus 2. Let us see the values of b for both these points. B was given to me as 5 minus y2 comma y2. If 0 is the solution, then b becomes 5 comma 0. If minus 2 is the solution, b becomes 5 minus minus 2 is 7 comma minus 2. Again the product of x and y for b, which is x2 and y2, should also be greater than equal to 0. So 7 times minus 2 is minus 14 is less than 0. So this is not possible. Over here 5 times 0 is 0. So 0 is greater than equal to 0, right? Because 0 is equal to 0. So this is acceptable. 5 comma 0 is acceptable, which is like this point 5 comma 0. But 7 minus 2, which will come over here, is not acceptable. Hence we have crossed it. So now I have the points A, I have point B, I have origin. And the question is, angle made by line segment AB at the origin is what? This is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, this is origin 0, 0. Point B is given to me as 5 comma 0, x is 5 and y is 0, right? X is 5, y is 0. Point A is also given. Where is point A? I have find out 9 comma 2, so around somewhere here. Point A, 9 comma 2. AB makes what angle at the origin? This angle theta. That you have to find out. It is very easy, just calculate. We know that this is 2, this is 9. So from this triangle OA, maybe say this is perpendicular P. In triangle OAP, what is tan theta? 2 by 9, and this theta is, so theta is what? Tangent inverse of 2 by 9. So this theta is the angle made by line segment AB at the origin. Tangent inverse of 2 by 9. But in the options there are no tangent inverse, there are cos inverse and pi by 4 and pi by 2. So I have to find out the value of cos. So if this is 2 and this is 9, what is this value? This is the perpendicular, right? This is the perpendicular, no sorry, hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. OA is equals to square root of 9 square plus 2 square, 81 plus 4, which is 85. So cos theta is what? Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse is class 10th trigonometry. Base is 9, hypotenuse is root 85. So theta is cosine inverse of 9 by square root of 85. So this option. Okay, so we have done all the problems on locus transformation of axis, the straight line, and the pair of straight lines. I will start with either functions or complex numbers in the next video. Okay, thank you everyone.